So here we are at Murphy's Antique Mall, getting ready for the spring open house. And we are doing 10% off this whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we have got a lot of new tin signs. Got some Longaberger. All sorts of stuff. There's a new vendor across. You don't mind if I put this on my social media, do you? Oh. A new awesome vendor across the way. And all sorts of cool stuff. Amber glass. Stuff for sports fans, collectibles. Here's my sister-in-law's booth. The Blue Bungalow, she calls it. Oh, she got a new painting. That painting is cool. Pillsbury Doughboy collectibles. Very cool. Somebody in their house liked the Pillsbury Doughboy. I used to take voiceover lessons from the voice of the Pillsbury Doughboy, Joe B. Cerny, over in Chicago. Nice guy. That's Marilyn's booth. She's still down in Mississippi or Alabama for the winter. Cute little gnomes hanging. Lots of paintings, tons of home decor. This place is huge. Somebody that likes lures and stuff. If you are a collector, chances are they have your stuff here. 2 stories, full basement, and a full main level across from Maria's Italian restaurant. I got a ton of new superhero signs. And my sister has Longaberger, Party Light, Tupperware, some Pyrex, cookware, Pampered Chef. Tupperware, did I say that? Crock pot, slow cooker. This Longaberger basket is kind of Eastery. Easter's coming up just a couple of weeks. It's flamingo stuff. Some clothes.
Just text me when you go. When you go home, I look there on my mom.
Vera Bradley. Got some snazzy, comfortable shoes. That's a cowboy's doll of some kind, I think. Clothes, purses, pants. That's a whole stack of jeans there. Purses, miscellaneous fabric. Some vintage comic book type signs. $10% off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They are open 11 to 6 Friday, Saturday. And then Sunday, they will be open by at least 1. I think they might open at 11 on Sunday, too. Till 6. And we'll end on these 2 glorious signs. Come to Murphy's Antique Mall, downtown South Haven.